So you might be in this random situation where for some reason your particular Google account is basically telling you that you cannot use that particular, account information or that phone number for your Google verification. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The number one reason why something like this could end up happening is usually because your particular phone number was already used way too many times. So potentially that phone number that you're using has already been used many different times. So if you're going to go through and use that particular device and that phone number, you might have to make sure that that phone number hasn't already been used. And if it has already been used, well, then that's going to be kind of the problem that you're going to run into. So try making sure that that's not the problem. Also, sometimes if you use some sort of other application, things like text free or like some other application like that that gives you a free phone number, sometimes those phone numbers can be detected by Google and they won't allow you to actually use that particular account information because they're already telling you that that phone number, they already know the phone number is like from a third party source. So I don't think you can use like a Google voice number or like a text free number or anything like that. So make sure that's not the case either. And on top of that, you might also want to make sure that your particular, the area that you're in, the region that you're in, the country that you're in, that that phone number is also in a, preferred area. So you're not putting in a phone number that's in a country that Google does not support those phone numbers from. And you want to double check that phone number. So sometimes the phone number itself can be a little wishy-washy. You might want to make sure you put in all the numbers in correctly. And that's kind of the main things you can kind of do in this particular situation. So from that side, that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.